Ever talked about a product and then boom, ads before it starts showing up on your phone? Weird, right? But it's not magic. Your phone is spying on you, recording almost everything you do, and sending it to Google. The good news? You can stop most of this with 3 simple settings. Let me show you. Step 1. Stop sharing personal data. This setting lets apps send your personal info, like your app usage, calls, microphone access, and even how you move inside apps, to be used for targeted ads. Turn it off, and suddenly your privacy goes up, your battery lasts longer, and your phone runs smoother. Here's how. Open Settings, Google, All Services, Personalization, using shared data. Turn all of these off. Step 2. Turn off usage and diagnostics. This one sounds harmless. It's supposed to help Google improve its services, but in reality, it records almost everything you do and sends it to their servers. Turning this off stops most of that data collection. Here's how. Open Settings, Google, All Services, Usage, and Diagnostics. Turn it off. Step 3. Control ads. Ads are the clearest proof your phone is spying on you. The microphone listens, apps record, and suddenly you see an ad for something you were just thinking about. Scary, right? Here's what to do. Open Settings, Google, All Services, Ads. Tap Reset Advertising ID. To then tap Delete ID. And also turn off Personalized Ads. This breaks the link between your old activity and new ads, giving you much more control. So what happens after this? More privacy. Your data isn't being sold. Longer battery life. Less background spying. Faster phone. Smoother performance. Peace of mind. Finally, you're in control. Follow these steps, and your phone works for you, not against you.